Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by clarifying the relationship you want with your stepmother today. Decide whether you seek friendly connection, respectful distance, or cooperative co-parenting. Write clear boundaries and priorities on paper within 1 week and review them. Hold one calm conversation to state limits and expectations without accusations. Use I statements and specific examples to avoid blame and reduce conflict. Agree on practical rules like privacy, chores, and communication frequency going forward. Revisit boundaries after 1 month to adjust what works and what does not. When conflict arises, pause for breathing and thought before responding to prevent escalation. Use calm, short sentences and avoid bringing up old grievances that escalate tone. Say what you need using I statements and specific examples of behavior. Ask open questions to understand her perspective without accepting disrespect automatically. If conversations become hostile, suggest a timed break of 10 to 20 minutes and pause the talk. Consider mediation with a neutral family member or counselor after 3 failed talks to restore progress. Practice these skills regularly to build calmer exchanges over time. Protect your well-being with healthy routines like sleep, exercise, and social time to preserve patience. Keep clear personal boundaries and communicate them consistently so patterns become predictable. Set a limit of 1 honest family meeting per month to review issues and celebrate improvements. Use compassionate curiosity to notice her needs without sacrificing your own values or safety. Build a small support network of friends or a therapist for perspective and emotional relief. Seek individual counseling if tension affects your daily life or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.